The Trump administration is making a big claim this tax season. Millions of Americans are on track for a $3,700 refund. But is that the full story? Here's what you actually need to know. According to the U.S. Treasury, the average federal tax refund this year has climbed above $3,700, up from about $3,167 last year. The White House credits the increase to new tax provisions in the One Big Beautiful Bill Act, signed by President Trump on July 4, 2025. So what's actually in Trump's new tax law that's driving those bigger refunds? Let's break it down. First, Trump's law eliminates federal taxes on certain overtime income. So far, more than 15.5 million tax returns have already claimed this benefit. More than 15.5 million returns and counting have claimed this overtime exclusion. And for workers who regularly put in extra hours, the savings can really add up. Second, Trump's law removes federal taxes on qualifying tip income. This one is especially big for service industry workers, waiters, bartenders, delivery drivers, and others who rely on tips. More than 3.5 million filers have already claimed the tip income exclusion. Third, there's a new $6,000 senior bonus deduction for taxpayers age 65 and older. More than 9.2 million returns have already claimed it. That's 9.2 million seniors reducing their taxable income thanks to Trump's new deduction. There's also a new provision letting taxpayers deduct interest paid on certain car loans. Another way the Trump tax law is cutting taxable income for eligible filers. All told, Treasury data shows that nearly 45% of returns filed so far have claimed at least one of these new Trump tax provisions. But here's where it gets important. While Trump's administration is highlighting that $3,700 average, the reality is more nuanced. Averages can be skewed by larger refunds at the top end. Independent analysts at the Center for American Progress estimate that the typical per-taxpayer increase may actually be closer to $331 to $748, not thousands. Refund size also depends on withholding. How much was taken from your paycheck throughout the year? A big refund sometimes just means you overpaid during the year and are getting your own money back. And not everyone benefits equally from Trump's new tax rules. Some lower-income households may actually see smaller refunds if Affordable Care Act premium tax credits were reduced or eliminated under the new law, potentially offsetting any gains. The bottom line, the Trump administration's tax changes are real, and many Americans, especially overtime workers, tipped employees, and seniors, may see a meaningful boost in their refund this year. But don't plan a vacation around that $3,700 headline number. Your actual refund depends on your income, your withholding, and which of Trump's new provisions you qualify for. But check the IRS Where's My Refund tool for the most up-to-date status on your specific return.